Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe down below. Now for today's video, I'll be reviewing a wig from Myfirstwig.com, and this is what's inside my box. So I got a flyaway tamer, so I'm definitely going to use that. And then I got this little pouch thingy-majig here with some hair clips and some hairpins, and sis, we're ready to style. I also got a wig cap. Now this is the wig that I will be working with, sis. Let me tell you, this wig is bomb.com. Okay, look at the naturalness of that hair lining. When I say if you need a wig for a first time wig wearer, like Myfirstwig got you. Like, the invisible knots, it's deeply bleached for you already. It's pre-plucked, sis. All you have to do is put this wig on your head. That is it, and it is long. So I got this hair. It's an option to get between silky and yaki texture, and I chose the yaki texture just because I wanted it to look, I don't know, I wanted it to still look natural. I don't know, I prefer yaki texture over silky texture, especially on black women. I don't know, I just love a yaki texture. Now I'm putting on the wig cap. What you saw earlier was me just like brushing my edges back, basically, because I braided my own hair, and you see how long my nails are. Not the best braider, so I didn't really catch the front, and I'm not trying to stress my edges, you know what I'm saying? So I just brushed them in instead of like trying to stress them by trying to get them into the braid. Now don't worry too much about the wig cap. You want to get a wig cap close to your complexion. You can use makeup on it, but my wig cap, I'm gonna use makeup on the lace itself later on, just to blend the difference between the wig cap and where my hair lining is. And also I'm using the Got To Be glued freezing spray. I prefer this because I'm not about that snatching of edges situation. Plus I don't put it on my actual edge, I put it like a little bit on my forehead. Now sis, when I tell you how easy this wig melt, like sis, if you are not the best wig slayer, this wig is for you, because the lace melted so easy. I didn't have to use a blow dryer like directly on it. All I had to do was just use a Got To Be freezing spray, pull the wig to where I sprayed, and then use this molding wrap on it just to leave it on. Now I'm gonna use the flyaway tamer just to help with the flyaway with the parting, and don't mind like the whiteness that you're seeing on top. Like, once I brush that out and I flat iron the hair fully, it will be fine. Okay, so this wig is 130% density, and remember I said it's yaki texture, so even though the density seems low, the wig is so full, it's stiff wear. It's like, this wig is just freaking bomb, and it flat irons so well. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to just see how I completely style this wig by flat ironing it. Okay, now y'all saw how free flowing this hair is. Like, look how smooth it is. Like, I absolutely love this yaki texture. Now I left it just like this while I did my makeup, and I didn't need to flat iron it again, thank God. Like, the wig is just bomb. Now I did put some mousse on the front, like the hair on the front, so I'm just using this blow dryer just to make it dry a little bit faster instead of having to sit and wait for another like 5 minutes for it to fully dry. And then I use the flyaway tamer once more just to make sure that everything stays in place. And voila, sis, like, look at the naturalness of this wig. Look at the parting. I just used a little bit of foundation powder as I said, with the wig cap, because I'm so lazy. Like, I'm not for the ball cap method. Like, I'm just too lazy to do all that. I like to take my wig cap off at night. Like, I ain't trying to sleep with all of that. So I'm not for the ball cap method. I just love the easiest, quickest way to apply a wig, and this wig is just freaking bomb. It's deeply bleached, pre-plucked, the hairlining is bomb, the yaki texture is fabulous. It's like slay all day in this wig. Yes, sis, feeling myself. Okay, I'm listening to that Summer Walker, like, okay, it's a whole vibe. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. All the details that you'll need for this wig will be in the description box down below. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.